Hey, so you record videos on your phone and then maybe edit them a little bit and then just upload them straight to YouTube. And you think to yourself, they could be better, right? They might look really good, but you want them to sound better. And there's just not a lot of really great options for audio editing on a phone, especially when it comes to like post production for video, right? So what I'm going to show you how to do is to take video from your iPhone, not Android. I don't have an Android phone, and I'm not sponsored or anything. I'm not endorsing anything, so I don't have an Android phone laying around. But I will show you on an iPhone how to transfer that video file, no matter what you record in, to either a MacBook or a Windows machine, and what to do from there. We're just gonna go ahead and dive right in. Okay, you can see here I am on my phone, and I'm gonna show you how to use AirDrop real quick. So if I go into this video, I could go here, AirDrop, pick the computer I want to AirDrop to, accept that, save it to downloads. It'll take a little bit here. For larger files, definitely do what we're going to do next, which is connect it hardwired to your computer. I have sent files of upwards of like 30 gigs with AirDrop. It takes forever, but it can be done. So if you've lost your lightning cable, you're in luck. You can see now it's in downloads. You can see this is the second time I've done it because it's there twice. But that's that. Let's take a look at how to do it with a lightning cable. Plug your phone in with a lightning to USB cable. Go to Finder and find your phone here. Files. I use Filmic Pro, so we'll let that load. The drop-down menu. Grab them all. And you can just open up a new Finder window, and wherever you want to drop them off, whether it's wherever, yeah, sure, here, you can just click and drag them in there and they would go. It's that easy, really easy. So with that, let's take a look at how to do this on Windows 10 in all of its glory. Let's talk about how to get your videos to your computer, whether it's a desktop or a laptop. There's a few different ways to do it. The first I'll say is like the wireless way to do it, which would be like with Dropbox or with iCloud installed on Windows 10. That's when iCloud or Dropbox backs up your photos, it will, especially like with Dropbox, you have Smart Sync. You can have it so that when it uploads to Dropbox, it will automatically be synced to your computer. So if you like take a video and you just want to like let it sync overnight and it'll be there the next day, it's awesome. So there's a few different wireless ways you can do it. I don't know if you can do that with Google Photos, but that's pretty cool. But a really fast way to do it, if you need to like film and then edit in the same day, is to connect your phone to your computer with the lightning to USB cable, and then open up iTunes, and you want to look for the little phone icon pop up right here. That means your phone's connected. Go to it, go to file sharing, and as mentioned before, I use Filmic Pro for all of my filming, so it shows up here. And then I would just select everything I recorded, hit save, and save it where I wanted it. And then after that, I would open up Reaper. Okay, and once that's there, I would drag in the video and bring up like the video window, and I would start editing and trimming it. And fun fact, this was a video I recorded for Relaxing Male ASMR for a cover he did of a song, and I added some background vocals and screams to it. I look so angry, and a fun fact is that I am lip syncing. There are no screams coming out of my face in this video. Isn't that funny? So anyways, that's how you would get video files from your iPhone to your Windows machine. Side note, Monster Train, surprisingly really fun game if you like roguelite games. Really dumb name. Really fun game. Alright, well, I think that's it, so I'm going to go with the outro now. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please comment, let me know. If there's anything else you want to know, also comment and feel free to ask. I will happily answer any questions you have. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, go to patreon.com/beardedaudio-ASMR and become a part of my merry band of beards. Only if you like what I do, though. Or you know what? No, if you don't like what I do, but you still want to support me, I'm not going to stop you. Anyways, I'm rambling. Yeah, I'm just going to bring up the in-page thing now. And you can subscribe, maybe watch another one of my videos, or another one of maybe a random video YouTube's telling you to watch. Well, I'm going to go now. All right, see you later.